Have you ever needed your iPhone's Wi-Fi MAC address for network registration, parental controls, router settings, or IT support? If so, you may have noticed that finding the correct MAC address isn't as straightforward as it used to be. Modern versions of iOS include a feature called Private Wi-Fi Address, which generates a unique MAC address to each Wi-Fi network you join. While this improves privacy and security, it can make it difficult to locate your iPhone's permanent hardware MAC address when you actually need it. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to find your permanent Wi-Fi MAC address on any iPhone. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on About at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see Wi-Fi address. The value shown next to Wi-Fi address is your iPhone's permanent hardware MAC address. This address is unique to your device and does not change. You can tap and hold on the address to copy it if you need to paste it into a registration form, router settings page, or provide it to a network administrator. If you have compared the Wi-Fi address shown in settings with the address reported by your router, they may not match. That's because your iPhone uses private Wi-Fi address by default. This feature creates a separate randomized MAC address for each Wi-Fi network, helping prevent your privacy and prevent tracking across different networks. If you need the address currently being used on a specific Wi-Fi network, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap the I button next to your connected Wi-Fi network's name, and look for Wi-Fi address. You can also tap on Private Wi-Fi address and choose between fixed, rotating, or off. Remember, if you're using rotating or fixed private Wi-Fi address, then it may be different from your device's permanent MAC address. So that's how you can quickly find your permanent Wi-Fi MAC address on your iPhone. Whether you're registering your device on a school, office, or home network, knowing where to locate this information can save time and avoid confusion caused by Apple's private Wi-Fi address feature. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and visit ioshacker.com for more iPhone tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.